Welcome to the Hitchhiker's Guide to Calculus. My name's Kevin, and I'll be your guide to Chapter 1.9, Limits at Infinity. First off, we'll check out what this means graphically. Now, we're going to take a look at two different functions, f of x on the left, g of x on the right, and see what's happening at infinity. So the two limits that we're going to be looking at are the limit as x approaches negative infinity of f of x, and the limit as x approaches positive infinity of f of x. Now, since x is going infinitely to the left and infinitely to the right, all we're really describing is the end behavior of these graphs. And you've probably heard this term before and actually found it for functions. So whenever you see the limit as x approaches infinity, we are literally just asking what the end behavior is, which means who cares what's happening in the middle of the function? That vertical asymptote? Don't care. I only care about the left and the right. So as x approaches negative infinity on this f of x function, I'm only caring about this little left-hand piece and where my y values are going. Now, I've covered up the y-axis, so I need to look, but okay, it looks like the y value should be negative 1 as I go out to the left. Same idea. As x approaches positive infinity and I go out to the right, this far right end is approaching a y value also of negative 1. That would be the end behavior of f of x. G of x has a little bit different end behavior, one that's maybe a little more familiar, but again, who cares what's happening in the middle? I care about the left end for x approaching negative infinity and the right end for x approaching positive infinity. On the left-hand side, as x goes left, our function goes up, up, up to positive infinity. And on the right end of our graph, as x goes to positive infinity, as I go further to the right, my y values are going down, down, down to negative infinity. I hope this video provided some insight, but if you have any questions, don't forget to check out the link below for a free lesson with one of our expert tutors. To see more videos like this, click subscribe. Or to continue your journey through calculus, click the next video on your left.